This month of December, like January, is the best time to actively apply. You need to actively search for jobs, apply for jobs. Yes, there are many ways in which you can do it, and that is why I've come up with a challenge which I'm going to be talking about in this video. This challenge is to help all of us work together as one and to achieve one common goal of landing that remote role. So, what do you need to do? I want you to sit down or whatever you're doing, pay attention to me as I walk you through what this challenge is going to be all about. The goal is that this 2026, as we are entering this 2026, that remote job, you must get it. And we are here to support one another. This is what my community is all about. This is a free community, it is not a paid community. So you are free to join. I'll be putting the link in the caption of this video. So just click on that link and join my WhatsApp community. I want to talk about this challenge. And the challenge is all about jump onto challenge. We're doing this together. Now, there's this popular one that people usually do. They see a job, they apply for it. This particular one is actually different because we're doing what is called outreaching using apollo.io and LinkedIn. First, we are going to be starting with apollo.io and everybody are going to work together, including myself, and that is the objective. So, what are you still thinking about? Just hold on. Let me explain what this entails. Now, as a virtual assistant, I believe you must have your niches, your target audience that you want to work with, and other things that you need about your businesses as a virtual assistant. So, what we are going to do basically is that we are going to create a spreadsheet, a trackable spreadsheet that we're going to use to track leads. And we're going to be using the free version of the apollo.io to look for target audience that can work with you during this period. So what you're going to do is that after creating your spreadsheet, I'm going to give you chat GPT prompt for free. Of course, there will be something you need to do to benefit this particular chat GPT prompt. It's not as if you are going to pay, you're just going to do something, just something to support our community, not a paid something anyway. So, what you're going to do basically, I'm going to tell you when you request to join my community. So, once you join the community, you send me a DM that you are interested in this challenge because honestly, I don't want crowd. I want people that will really participate in the challenge. So after creating our apollo.io account, every person will create their account. Then they are going to create their trackable job leads using Google Spreadsheet. Then they are still going to use ChatGPT to create prompts on how they can personalize their outreach. So I'm teaching you two things. As you're preparing to land your remote role, you are also creating a mock-up project on how to outreach. Because as a virtual assistant, yes, we have virtual that are into outreaching that they help other people, business to business, secure contracts. So you can that's also a portfolio for you. So it's two in one win. Number one win is that you get a remote role. Number two is that you learn how to outreach properly. So what are you still thinking? If you're just new and you're just seeing this video, the first thing I will encourage you to do is to just subscribe to my channel, comment that I am him, and let's do this together. I'm so excited about this because this idea just come to me. I was just creating an outreach list for myself that okay, I want to do outreach this January and February, and let me start from December and see how it goes. Then the thought came to me that okay, what if I do this generally to support other virtual assistants? And that is why the vision is battered all of a sudden, and we are here doing it together. So kindly show your support by liking my video, join my community, join this jump on challenge. It is a must. We need to get there. Yeah, we must get